With the bear, obviously. We can, like,
Man is dangerous. I think it's much safer to be with a bear.
I also have the same answer. With the bear, I guess.
Okay, so women prefer to be with a bear rather than with a man. This choice was made out of disappointment, disbelief, and broken trust on men, given the incidences of honor killing, dowry death, child rape, and the list could go on forever. Now, on the other hand, when the same question was asked to men, they all chose to be with a woman rather than with a bear. So, this is to all the men out there. You know what? We do not really want to end up choosing a bear over a man. And you can help me with that. You know how? By correcting your friend every time he tries to crack a sexist joke. By stopping your brother when he is up to stalking a girl on her way to work, on her way back home. And by teaching your son how to respect women. Can you do that? Please let me know in the comment section below.